Well, this is start to gardening season this year, 2021. I've got some seeds I started, with just the early crops. And then I've got to go metal detect in my garden to get some re-rot out from when we had our first garden beds. Our garlic's doing pretty good. And then here is the garden that we had the landscape fabric on last year. And this is where it wasn't. Big difference. So the chickens got in the garden. So I had to Rice Krispies to the rescue. So glad I labeled these because this go here. We put goat clean out here. You still see it, but it's been here all winter, so it should be safe. Okay, so this is why I'm glad we're putting the fabric up now, because these will be giant soon. Bunch of landscape fabric and some mustard greens. So I'm about to roll all this out now. Finally. Well, it just finished. It's starting to rain. You repurposed that old landscape fabric I found, which actually it's repurposed from our church. I don't know, 10 years ago. We're all done for today. I replanted these, hopefully they'll live. Okay. See you next